So this is what it looks like. It's just a little fuller because I have the wig in it, but shake and go. Hello my lovely people, welcome back to the Members channel wig review edition. So few weeks ago I got the wig from Luvme, the what do you call it, the undetectable, the body wave from Luvme, and I did a review and I'm yet to install it. But anyway, I was so impressed that I went ahead and got this kinky straight hair. It's a U-part, and I wanted to just make the review and get it out of the way, so when I start wearing them, in case I forget to show it. And like I said, I am so excited to see what gifts we have this time. Oh, as usual, it comes into the beautiful package, like a luxury stuff. But I already opened this up before now, just to make sure it's not a shoe or something. So it came, I think this came around 4 days or something. And of course, the same thing I got last time. Welcome to blah 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 Johnny. Let's get right into it. This came with a 3D mink lashes, the Luvme lashes. That looks so beautiful. I mean, I don't do strip lashes, I do individuals, but I can't wait to try this one myself. And this on the website says it's a $20 value, but I got it for free. The last time I got a stretcher, the flat iron, and this time is a lashes. Exactly what I was thinking. Let's see. And of course, 2 wig caps. The very, very light brown one. That's good because I have almost worn out the other one. There's 2 of them, 1 left, but now that I have extra, I can switch it out. And of course, the brochure, the pamphlet, the booklet, whatever you call it, the booklet on the return and refunds, the process you have to go through, how to care for your wig, and how to use your hair, which I never opened the last one, but I'm gonna, I promise. Down to the goodies. Now this is the second pouch. Another comb, some bobby pins, about 10 of it, the hair clip, so now I have 2 from placing 2 orders, and then the tweezers. Like I said, I really procrastinate a lot, but I promise I'm gonna try learn how to, pluck my edges or whatever they do with this thing. And of course some straps in case you want to sew it down on the wig. And that too good because I really need this. The other one, the other hair wasn't flying, but something like this hair, I can easily open it up and put it just to stick the hair down. I'm probably going to make a review of the Luvme hair wax stick, but I think on the website it says something like if you're going to buy this, you're gonna pay like $20 shipping on itself. By itself, if you're going to buy it by itself, you're going to pay $20 shipping. But this always comes, not always, I don't know, but 2 orders I've made and it came with it. So I'm so glad. Like I said, take my money. Now, straight to business. As usual, so this also came in a purple beautiful bag. with the golden Luvme website and all that stuff written on it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So the lunch lady net. What is this? So that's the kinky I got. I think I said it was 12 inches or 14, you know, I think 12 inches, I don't remember. But that is what the hair looks like in the U part. I think you have to cut this part off, and I don't normally like cutting my stuff up until I'm ready to, you know, to store it. And this came with just the straps, like regular with scarf. And then inside they have the 3 pins and 1 down here. I wish I can cut this and show you guys. Just cut it and like put it somewhere and close it. You know what I'm gonna do? Let me get the scissors. I'm gonna cut it and see, because it's a wig review, but the hair itself feels like human hair. Like, I mean, of course it's human hair, but how much was it? I think this was $144, and then with $25 discount, $22 discount, or $20 discount, it was like 100 and something. So they always have discounts. Make use of it. Roll the spin. There's a spin thing where you have to roll, and no shedding, no hair at all. So because I have my hair done, I'm gonna cut it and then put it under this hair, and then so just so you see what it looks like. So I got some scissors. I'm gonna cut it off. I hope that's what I'm supposed to do. And then cut this other piece. That's what it looks like. Like I said, I have this hair on, but I can try to put it under. Oh, pop the clips open. So that's what it's supposed to look like anyway from that. So if you have hair that almost looks like this texture, you know, you can just bring out your hair. This is just an example. You can bring your hair up and blend it like that, like so. So I'm gonna stand up and then you see what it looks like. Of course, with a clip on. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's just a little fuller because I have the wig in it. But shake and go. So just clip it in, you come back in the night to unclip it, and that's it, you know. And of course bring your hair out, because I couldn't get some of these wigs hair out. I just really wanted to see what it looks like before I install it. See. So this is just an example. This is on top of the wig. So, but that's the length I got. What do you think? And that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys in in our next video my hubby and I will be doing. Ciao.